This is a wrap for today. Another 8 miles walked. We are 13 miles left to the Atlantic Ocean. It's officially time to get on the grind, guys. We're walking 8 miles out here with Davon, Tavon, and Sonny, and doing this thing. Oh yeah, cruising right along. Oh, good timing. Look at that. We're actually hopping off 90 for fuel. We're taking Stockton Street. We're going to be taking some back roads, railroads. Got a crazy face mural on that, again, pictures. Left on Forest. Florida Blue. We're in run mode. Oh yeah. What's up, y'all? We're over here on the Acosta Bridge crossing the St. Johns River with There's the Bearded Pig. That's where we all ate with Dustin yesterday. Less than 3.5 miles left to go. We're still out here crushing it. All right, we are crossing Phillips Highway on the Wishart and going down here, heading over to 90. Oh yeah. Look at that mailbox. All right. About 0.3 miles till we take a right back onto Highway 90, aka Beach Boulevard today. Yeah. Nice looking flower shop.
This stuff isn't being pushed how it should be because we live in a world where...
Yeah, let's go. Oh, there's our parking lot for the day. All right, that is a wrap for today. Another 8 miles walked. We are 13 miles left to the Atlantic Ocean, August 17th between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. I'll put my feet in the water right next to the Jacksonville Beach Pier. Come on out. Thank you to Davon, Tavon, and Sonny for coming out here crushing this 8 miles with me today. God bless. You matter. Let's go.